We will now look at the course structure, the learning platform, and explore how to navigate through each course. Each course is divided into modules containing several lessons, each focusing on specific topics related to the course content. Throughout each course you will find 3 types of assessment exercises: knowledge checks, forum discussions, and a final assignment. The main course page allows you to view and access all of the course content. For example, clicking on a lesson will open that lesson. The lesson interface consists of navigation control bars, a table of contents, and main content area. You can navigate through the lesson by clicking the directional icons at the top or bottom of this screen. You can also use the table of contents to navigate between pages. The main content area contains the lesson content, which will be presented as text, images, videos, and other interactive activities. You will also see an audio control bar, which will allow you to pause and play the narration, as well as controlling the volume and playback speed. At the end of every lesson, you will see a summary of your progress, where you can also submit any assessment responses. The course content is best viewed in full screen mode. You can toggle full screen mode by clicking on the full screen icon in the top right of this window. When you complete a lesson, you can move on to the next section by exiting full screen mode and clicking on the link at the bottom of the page. You can also navigate to the next section by returning to the main course page. On the main course page, you will also be able to view and track your progress. The boxes next to each course element indicate whether you have accessed or completed each activity. The side panel provides an overview of your course progress and completion status, time tracker, and deadline notifications. The side panel also allows you to access your profile, which contains information and course reports for all your enrolled courses. The resources section contains references, course notes, and any other additional documents or learning material. The course completion tasks section contains the required evaluation form, a checklist for completion of your summer course, and finally your EPV certificate will be available here once you have met all the requirements for completion.